In this video, I'll show you how you can use color styles to add default colors and fonts to all of the templates you can use in the block editor. So first of all, we're going to the color styles section by going to settings in the dashboard and then clicking color styles. And then we come onto this page in which we'll see an overview of all of the color styles that we've created. And we also have the option to add a new color style to this list. So let me select add a new color style here, and then first of all we can name our color style, so tutorial videos for example, and then we can set it as standard so that all of the new projects we create will automatically receive this color style. Then we can set all of the fonts here in this list, so all of the fonts that you've uploaded, you'll see a drop down menu in which you can select the fonts that you would like to choose. And then we come to the color section. So we have 4 types of backgrounds here. So 4 tabs. First of all, text on photography. So whenever text is placed on top of an image, for example, the text will receive this very color here. Then we have a second tab called text on white, in which you'll see the text being displayed on a white background. And then here we can set a default background as well. So background 1 gives us the ability to set a background or color ourselves, and then all of the text on that specific background will receive its own colors. Same goes for background 2 as well. You can set your own background color here. So first of all here we can set the text, so main title, subtitle can all have their different colors. Introduction and retext, so rich text in a web browser, and quotes can all have their own text. You have the links you can place inside of the text, so whenever you add a link to a specific piece of text, it will receive this color, and whenever it's active, so whenever someone hovers over it with their mouse, that's what the second tab is for, it will change to this very color. So same with borders you add, scrolling borders you add, and buttons you place in your content, in your pages. You can see here whenever I hover over it, in the preview here, they will change color. Same goes for tab menus. Whenever I hover over them with my mouse, they will become red, and whenever I don't, they'll become white. Tables as well, and then forms we have a color too. So all of these settings can be applied to all of the different backgrounds, so make sure you do that and apply, set all of the color types to all of the different backgrounds, and then select save style here at the top to save your style. And now you can see that it's added here, tutorial videos, that color style has been added. And now I can simply whenever I create a new project, I can set this color style to make sure that all templates I choose will automatically receive the colors I specified in the color style section. So now when I go to templates, for example, you can see a block templates, and I can choose a article here. So this one, for example, this one will automatically receive the tutorial videos color style here. So the subtitle has its own color, and the title text as well. But whenever I change to another color style 1 for example, you can see the title and the text automatically changing both in font and the colors as well. So that saves you some time whenever you want to create a new project. You can simply add a new color style and update all of the existing projects, for example. So if you have a company branding style, so company colors, you can add one color style and create all of your projects in there. And whenever that color style changes, you only have to change the color style in the settings menu, and all of the projects will automatically receive that new color settings. So that concludes the content of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.